art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a Halloween Hello Kitty Squishmallow. So first we're going to get started with the bow on the right hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. On a diagonal now towards the top, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle, curving this line around, and then in on the left. And then we'll move down on the right, curving this line around, and then back in on the top. Now from here on the inside, we're going to draw in another half circle, curving this line down. And then moving down below that, we're going to replicate that on the bottom. Now let's draw the shape of the body. So on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line down, arching that in as we come in towards the bottom. On the top now, we're going to close off the top of the head, curving this line around, bringing it further out towards the side. And then starting back on this line, we're going to continue to curve this line around on the bottom, arching this line in, ending that so it's roughly at the same height. We're going to close this off on the bottom now with a curved line, so we're going to start back on this line, arching this line around, and then in towards the middle. And then moving over on the right, starting back on this line, we're going to curve this line around and then blending that back in on the bottom. Let's draw in our left ear now, so leaving a gap, we're going to curve this line around and then out. And then starting back on this line, curving out the top of the ear, we're just going to arch this line down on the left. For the pumpkin stalk up above now, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches out. And then we're going to leave a gap in the middle, and we're going to curve this line back over towards the top. Now from here, we're going to draw in an arch line from left to right. And then dropping down below, we're going to curve this line back up. And then we're going to draw in two curved lines that come down, making the right one a little bit longer. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes in. And we'll do the same thing on the right. From here, we're going to bring this line down and then back in towards the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, bringing this down and then in towards the center. Now on the top, we're going to bring this diagonal line in. From that point, we're going to bring this line across. Again, we're going to bring this diagonal line down and then across. And then one last time, we're just going to bring this line across towards the bow. Now let's come down and draw in the eyes. So on the right hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big oval for our right eye. And then we're going to leave a nice big gap coming over on the left hand side, and we're going to replicate that. In the top right corner of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a circle for the highlight of the eye. In the middle now, let's draw in a sideways oval for the nose. And then above each eye, we're just going to draw in a small curved line that arches down towards the side. For the whiskers now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the top that comes in towards our eye. In the middle, we're going to bring this line across. And then dropping down again one more time, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line that comes in towards the top. Now let's draw on the bottom where the pumpkin is. So we're going to draw in a nice big curved line, bringing this all the way over and then back up on the right. To the left of this, we're going to curve this line around and then down towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now for the eyes of the pumpkin, we're going to draw in another oval on the left. And then again, leaving quite a big gap, we're going to do the same thing as we move over on the right. Now towards the left, we're going to curve this line in. And then we'll do the same thing over on the right, lining that up at the same height. On the top, we're going to bring a straight line that comes in towards the middle. We'll bring this line down, across, and then back up. Now from here, we're going to bring this line in towards the middle again. And then we'll bring this line down, across, and then back up on the side. Underneath, we're going to bring this line up, across, and then down. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, bringing this up, across, and then back down. And then we're just going to close this off with a straight line on the bottom. On the inside of our eye now, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. Moving over on the right, let's replicate that, bringing that down. On the side now, we're going to curve this line up. We're going to bring this line over and then back up again. Stepping aside, moving that over, back up. And then again, one more time, bringing this over and then up. Now coming in towards the bottom, we're going to curve this line in. We'll bring this line up, across, and then down on a diagonal. Again, we're going to bring this line across, and then we'll bring this line up, over, and then back down again on a diagonal. And that is it. That's how you draw Hello Kitty as a pumpkin squishmallow. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.